Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to see your recently added friends on Facebook. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. So let's start today's video without any further ado. So to see your recently added friends on Facebook, it's pretty simple. Just have to click on the three line which is at the top right corner right below the messenger icon. Click on it and then scroll down until you see setting and privacy. Click on setting and privacy, and then after clicking on setting and privacy, click on setting. Then you can just scroll down until you see activity log. As you guys can see, it's over here just below access your information. Click on activity log. After coming on activity log, scroll down until you see connections. Then after you see connection, click on view connection. Once you're in view connection, you can just click on filters, and after clicking on filters, click on categories. Then over here you can click on added friends. Now it's going to show you all the friends which you have just added. So over here you can see I've only added this person as my friend, Abhinav Timla. So I can click on this three dot and I can unfriend him from here as well, but I don't want to unfriend him, so I'm going to leave you at that because that's how you view all your recently added friends on Facebook. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video I should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.